The first challenge for any creative project is the question, what shall I create? And I found that the easiest starting point is to start collecting motifs that you like and that you want to work with. Pinterest is the obvious first place to start looking, but I also recommend for your main motifs looking on royalty-free sites such as Pixabay or Unsplash or Pexels.com. You can then save images from these sites and upload them onto a secret Pinterest board. I like doing this because I really like the easy interface that Pinterest provides, but if I know that I've found my main motifs on royalty-free sites, then I won't run into any problems with copyright if I do end up licensing or selling my final painting. I've created this Pinterest board, which I'm going to use as my starting point. This is a secret board and the link is in the class resources. You're welcome to work from this board if you want to work alongside me, or, and I encourage this, try looking for motifs that you like and that you want to work with. It can be anything: birds, animals, houses, people. Look for anything that piques your interest and then follow that thread and see what you come up with. The aim of this class is not to teach you how to make art that looks exactly like mine, but rather to show you the skills and processes so that you can release all the goodness from your own imagination. For the kind of patterns that I make, I generally think of motifs in 4 categories. Your main motifs, which might be your birds and animals, your characters, your main flowers and plants, some secondary flowers, and then your filler motifs. So here's an example of a painting that I'm currently working on. The main motifs are the birds and some of the animals. So obviously the toucan, the malachite sunbird. This is a slow loris kind of creature, another toucan. Then I've got my main flowers, which are these blue protea type flowers. My secondary flowers, which are these orange and yellow nasturtiums. And then I've got my filler motifs, which are these pink flowers, green leaves, all the small things that fill in the gaps. So what you need to do now, if you want to work alongside me, is go and look for some motifs that you want to work with in this project. There's no right or wrong, just look for anything that catches your interest and save it onto your iPad. And in the next section, I'll show you how to upload your images to create a secret Pinterest board. I'll see you there.